channel. மறந்து போச்சு. Hey everyone. So nothing to say, and today I have unlocked a few guns. Not today, actually a few days back. So here I have unlocked the Sering 9. Yes, you can see. It's not much exciting, you might be thinking. Yeah, but I've been killed very bad with this awesome gun. I think it will work really good, but I actually hate this class heavy, and I have also unlocked a few more things. I'll soon put video of that also. And one more thing, I really thank the people who subscribed my channel. I've reached 11 subscribers and 4 more subscribers, and I'll put the Marauder video for you guys. So okay, first of all let me customize my weapon. Golden doesn't look really good. This rainbow one maybe will look good. This one, nope. Getting good. Zombie, not the zombie, no. This one, yep, that looks good. Okay, now we're going to play a multiplayer match. My rank, and also one more thing, I would like to say thanks a lot to Commander H, who has just joined my squad yesterday or day before yesterday. Really thank him. Yeah. Okay, now let's continue for the video, and soon I'll be putting a squad battle of mine. And if you really like my channel, you may join my squad. It's anyone can join. And I will also if you have joined my squad and you have you are in the squad battle video, I'll surely tell to my viewers that it's you. Means you have to comment down. Yeah, that you have joined my squad. What's your name? And nowadays I'm having some connection problems also. I'm not able to connect properly. No problem. Okay, let's go. Movement speed is the irritating thing about this class. Oh, that was too stupid. Man, he took my Sering. No. Man, one more thing is that this is not a oh god. Man, if I show you my XSSD, you are going to die. Dirty die. You know about this class is that all the weapons are not fully automatic. That's what it is. You have to click again and again like that. Yep. I don't see any enemy. Wait, where is he shooting? Oh, that's the guy. Oh yeah, that was awesome. That was nice. I think I see firing over there. Oh, come on, jump on. I think I should okay, no problem, we'll reload it later on. We're not going to use it now. Oh, he was running here and there. Doing that is not not hard in the mobile, but doing it in the keyboard, it's a bit hard for people like me, because I use only the shift button and the mouse. Oh man, I should have changed my gun that time. Right now. Okay. They're standing like that. Oh no, somebody behind me. There's someone behind me. Oh, my teammate. Oh, this fellow, man. Come on. They're killing me. Oh, why is this reloading? Idiot. There was a guy right here. Oh, only commanders and marauders over here. Actually, only one commander and 3 marauders. This is a try to get this. Okay, no problem. Oh wait. Man, this Sering 9 is awesome. Oh, not awesome. It's awesome. Yep. It's really awesome. And good, it's automatic. What the hell? What is that thing? Wait. No, these fellows are roaming around together. Oh no, I have to also keep up with my rating. And you know, seriously, this guy is awesome. You know what? Oh, freaking higher. Exact same place. Oh yeah, we did it. Another explode. Wait, the commander is here. No, Mr. Commander. Oh, dirty job. Oh no. There are so many over here. Okay, he's there. That commander is hiding behind the shield over there. Hey, sniper. Hi. The sniping area is up there. Where you come here? Oh. Okay. My rating will not fall now. Okay. I have to concentrate. Wait, there's a guy behind. Yep. I should have been more faster. Oh. And it has magazine. Oh, come on. Can you please give me a review? Can you please help me in my review? And oh, it has a magazine of 10. Oops, I'm dead. Oh, this guy with the maelstrom is getting on my head. And I've started opening more weapon packs and opening other things. And oh wait, enemy! Woo! Man, that was my kill. This noobs, you know, they always like to use others' guns because they have better guns, right? That's why. Oh, hello, commander. Can I please kill you? Oh yeah. Oh no, somebody from behind is shooting me. Man, this setting is awesome. Oh, there's a guy running in there with the maelstrom. Oh, come on. Platinum League, just don't fight with the Platinum League guys. I'm in the Gold League, come on. Idiot. Oh. I went mistakenly through my grenade. Oh yeah, if this was just like the what? No. Oh no. Let me down, boy. Great, I'm dead. Wait, where's my hand? Oh, it just glitched over there. Man, this setting 9 is absolutely awesome. Seriously, you should try it. Why are they all rainbow? Oh, thank God, my rating. Yeah, that gun is awesome. Seriously, I'm not going for another match because I have to record more videos. I have to record a lot more videos also, so I'm not gonna waste a lot of time. Actually, it's not waste. I'm seriously sorry. So, setting 9 is an awesome gun. You should unlock it with your weapon packs. And one more thing, I want to tell everyone that don't concentrate on exchanging blueprints like I had told you in the video in my back the video I had made before. I'll tell you, opening weapon packs is whoa, it's a discount. Opening weapon packs is all awesome. Seriously, I had not ranked. I'm so sorry, I can't right now. The grinder, I had only 2 blueprints of it. I have unlocked. I had opened a lot of weapon packs. Every day I open at least 1 pack. Yep. Somehow I create credits or with the video, the free gift. You can see sometimes, and nowadays this watch ad is coming even in the weapon packs also. So yes, you should really concentrate on opening your weapon packs, or yes, don't think like we'll make some credits then we'll start opening it. No, don't do like that. Each and every day try opening a few packs. I daily at least open 1 pack, and I'm doing it from a few days only. It's like I'm feeling so happy, you know. I'm almost going to unlock. I feel like I'm almost going to unlock the grinder. Actually, what to say is, you should not. you should open more weapon packs. Yes, than using your credits for unlocking your camping or doing some other stuff or buying classes. I'm feeling really really sorry to myself because I unlocked the commander class, I unlocked the marauder class, but I didn't. I could have almost half unlocked my grinder over there. Those 600 credits. Come on, it's not a simple thing. Yep, I could have unlocked so much with that. Half of the I could have also unlocked this red without exchanging blueprints. I could have unlocked this PR39. I could have almost unlocked half of the enforcer or water artillery, or I could have seriously unlocked this much at least. No, no, this much of a grinder. Seriously, and in weapon packs mostly they give grinder only. Lux Eterna, the prestige pistol. I don't think of that, but still, look, I didn't change even one blueprint. Exchange even one blueprint with the gear tokens. I opened packs only. I've found 5. Don't think that I before used to think 35 blueprints. How are we going to get that? No, don't think like that. After you start opening the weapon packs, you can seriously, I can tell you, you feel like I'm almost to open it, unlock the Lux Eterna, I'm almost to unlock the Judgment, I'm almost to unlock the Grinder, the Enforcer. Seriously, if you even collect only 5 or 6 blueprints of that, still you can feel it. I'm gonna soon unlock it. If I had if I had just did this when I had started playing this game, yes, seriously, till now, till date, I would have unlocked the grinder. Yes, it's maximum going to take a month. Yes, seriously. If I had like I get the video chance, this watch an ad chance twice. So and yes, so what did I do is I made another account on my mobile phone. That account is I'll put it in the description. And one more thing I want to tell you that the players who play in the mobile can't contact with the players in the PC because there are 2 different servers for it. Even I tried with my friend. I was in the PC. I tried to contact her from the PC. She was playing in her mobile. She could not contact me. So that's why I'm telling you. And if somebody who is watching my video plays in their mobile phone, they can just go in the description and see what's my account on my mobile, and they can play with me for sure. And I am also going to create the Marathon Poacher squad. The Marathon Poacher squad in my mobile. Even the mobile players who like my videos can join that squad. And that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks. Switch off.
Subscribe us.